picked up this little guy at Dollar Tree because they think he looks like me. I don't know. You think that looks like me? I don't know. I'm not seeing it. I'm not seeing it. That don't look like me. Nah. No, he's too fat. Yeah. Hey, hello. I already took off. I wasn't going to record today, but it's just so beautiful. Kind of windy, but boy, this is going to be a fun ride. This is going to be a fun ride. Oh, I love it when it's warm. Love it when it's warm like this. Beautiful. Oh, it's about 74 degrees. And it's just so gorgeous. This is about the perfect weather for riding right here. All those cold days riding in the wintertime. This is what makes it all worthwhile right here. Right here. So if you're looking for a bike to buy, I would hope that you would consider this one. I got over 7,000 miles on mine, and it's changed my life. And if you want to take a look at it, I'll leave a link down below. You can check it out. And if you click on the link, it helps support this channel. If you buy or if you don't buy, it don't really matter. But if you do buy, you know, they throw me a little bit of change, and every little bit helps. I would appreciate it. Yeah, I went 8 miles so far. Wind's pretty strong. Wind is pretty strong, but it sure is nice. Oh, it's so nice. These are nice roads to ride on in the summertime because it's nice and shaded in here. So I go up to the Tunnel Hill Trail sometime. If you're ever up that way, it's really nice. I'll leave a link up above to our trip at Tunnel Hill. That's kind of what started it all. I ordered my bike and then we went up there and we rented some. And we all just immediately fell in love with it because it made me feel like I was 16 again. It's like, I think I was 14 when I met my wife, and I was riding the 10-speed and riding wheelies and stuff, and she said, "Oh, be careful, you're gonna hurt yourself." And me being the young kid trying to show off to the girl, you know, I just kept right on doing it. And it must have worked because I got her. And that's been a long time ago now. 50-some years ago, no longer than that. Back when I was a kid, anyways, I did all that. It's been a long time ago now. A lot of water's been under the bridge, but I wouldn't want to go through it with anybody else. Why would I want to do that? I just got her trained. I'm in trouble if she watches this video. Yeah, I had to change my daughter's tire on a rev yesterday. Air leaked out of the tire, and I aired up and leaked out again, so it must be a hole in the inner tube. But since I had a new tire, I went ahead and just changed everything. Don't like to take it off more than I have to. I did the same with my wife's bike a while back. If you want to see how I did that, I'll leave a link for that. Also changed the tire on this. I gotta change the tire on this here again real soon. I'm trying to get all the miles out of it. I got about 5,000 miles in the back tire. The front tire's got over 7,000 miles. Wonder if my rabbit will jump out and scare me today. No, not today. So many times that rabbit jumps out right there. I'm kind of on guard because I'm going around a blind corner and that rabbit jumps out and scares the daylights out of me.
Look out, George!
And if you're wondering, you can use these fat tires on the road. Well, probably 95% of my riding now is on the road. I just need fat tires to get out of my driveway. I got a half-mile long gravel driveway that washes out all the time. And so it makes it nice getting out. And I was doing a lot of off-roading, but here lately I haven't been doing as much. So, yeah, it's always a little scary when I get top of the hill and there's a truck there. But my fat tires, they work really good for that. I love the hum of my tires. When I put my new knobby tire on the back, my new tire is gonna probably be pretty loud. It's very windy, but I still have 3 bars left. I really like this battery. 161 total, 14.6 miles today. Well, thanks for riding along with me today. 14.6 miles. I wasn't really planning on recording today, but it's just a beautiful day and I wanted to share it with you. Alrighty, this is Papa Blue Shirt. Thanks for watching. And may the good Lord take a liking to you.